Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We are giving the dogs a bone. Now I get these. These are, someone asked me yesterday. Here we go. Come on. I'll let you go get that one. Here. Someone asked me what kind of bones are they. These are milk bones, and I got them at Kmart, Walmart. There you go. There you go. Let's just throw these over here. There you go. Okay. So, here we go. Einstein, Brownie, Molly, Blackie 1, Hunter, oh, Shadow on that, Hunter, Faith, Rosie, Pepsi, Pikachu, Crypto, Levi, Violet, Coca-Cola, come on, take it. There you go, everybody got their bones? So remember, I got these. These are milk bones. I'll show you the box. You get, I got it upside down, but there it is. Milk bones from Walmart. And they are I don't get them big, I get the medium ones. See the medium? I get the medium ones because the big ones are too big for the little puppies. And guess what? It's just a treat. I give it to them about 3 times a day. And, you know, whenever I come in here, hang out with them, they get it. It's like a treat. So I don't want to, and the big ones are too big, and you don't get as many for the same price. I think they're like 13 or 14 bucks. So I go through them with all these dogs, probably about every 2 weeks, a box. So that's the way they are. Very nice. This is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Looking at my doggies and loving them all. Yeah. Nice cool pens. They got water. They got